Hello everybody, this is Plucky the Chicken, and she has a song for you called I Know a Chicken, or the Shaky Egg Song. It's getting close to Easter, and Plucky can really lay special eggs. Hello everybody, I hope that you will sing along in my Shaky Egg Song. It's an echo, so Miss Heather will sing I know a chicken. So that'd be me. I know a chicken. And then you all sing I know a chicken. We'll try it out. Oh, oh, oh. I think there's an egg coming any minute. Okay, here it is. Ah! Oh, she laid a shaky egg. If you have a shaky egg at home, go get it. Or later on, you can play this video again and make one. Or if you don't have one, you could shake anything. Shake some ribbons. Shake a glove. Or you could go get a scarf. Shake a scarf. You think of something you can shake. Okay, here we go. Oh, I know a chicken. I know a chicken. She laid an egg. She laid an egg. Oh, I know a chicken. I know a chicken. She laid an egg. She laid an egg. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg. Okay, it's getting faster. Shake it fast. Shake it fast. Shake it slow. You know how it goes. Shake it in a circle. Round and round it goes. Oh, I know a chicken. Know a chicken, and she laid an egg. And she laid an egg. Oh, I know a chicken. I know a chicken, and she laid an egg. She laid an egg. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg. Get ready to shake again. Shake it high, high. Shake it low. Know how it goes. Shake it in a circle. Round and round it goes. Oh, I know a chicken. And she laid an egg. It's a shaky egg. Hi to Seneca and Talia and Ruby May and Dalton's new little stepdaughter and all the other kids that get to shake their shaky eggs.